Hello guys, Rickaquaog here and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to try to make our own home DIY commercial scene. We're going to try to make a very nice b-roll of this Hennessy bottle. A disclaimer though, we don't have any of the required equipment like sliders. As you can see from this shot, we just placed the camera on a napkin and we dragged it to get that very nice pan out. That was the initial scene. So the tools we used for this video was quite simple. We used a reading lamp, we used this 360 turntable thingy, we used a couple of lights, a couple of fairy lights to try to get some dimension in the shot. So we placed everything on a glass surface to help get that reflection. It makes it look really good, so you get a reflection of the product from below. Here we try to get a couple of upward scenes. We don't have any rigging tools. We did everything handheld. As you can see, we poured Coke into the bottle. We poured a couple of that. I think we used like 3 Coke bottles. In this scene, we try to simulate the Hennessy pouring down as rain. So we poured it down a couple of times, then we maxed everything out. It was difficult, but we kind of made it work. We placed a couple of elements on it to make it fit well. Then we got some lemon. We placed it in to help get this nice looking something. So the light was placed right behind the Hennessy bottle to help lighten it from behind. It looks really cool when you place it there. In this particular scene, we're trying to get some flames in front of it. We're trying to get more b-roll scenes, and I nearly burnt myself with this one. But I think the end product turned out pretty nice. So all we did was to get a matchstick, light it, get a spray can, spray it a couple of times in front of the product whilst we are recording. So in the edit process, you try to make it work. So this was really simple. Not really simple, but it was really cool. This was really fun to make. We had a lot of fun with this. If you have any questions or views, let us know in the comment section, and we're always hanging out with you.
Okay guys, this is the other aqua here, and this was the little DIY we decided to do. We decided to get creative. It's a little commercial that's not going anywhere actually, but we hope you like it. We hope you subscribe, we hope you like this video, we hope you comment. And as you can see, this was just Coke. Actually, it's not real Hennessy. This is ice that we got from our deep freezer. That's lime. You can get lime from anywhere. This is the light we use to light the bottle, and this, as you can see, is tissue. We just use it to diffuse the light. So guys, everything that we used here was right here in our home, and we didn't go out. So I would like to challenge you guys out there to also get creative and do something with this time. And we hope we can see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Comment as well. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace. I'm out.